In this video, we're going to get your first screen sharing session up and running. If you don't yet have a RealVNC account, the quickest way to get started is with a free 30-day trial. Choose either a professional or enterprise subscription and enter a valid email address. This must be your real email address, as you'll need to verify it. Choose a strong, unique account password, enter a few more details, and sign in to your online portal. We strongly recommend turning on two-factor authentication on the security page to make your account secure. In this video, we'll keep it simple and show you how to provide unattended access to your own Windows, Mac, or Linux computer using VNC Connect's device access capability. Just download VNC Connect to that computer from our website, follow the instructions to install it, and then sign in using your RealVNC account credentials. If you have an enterprise subscription, don't forget to enable cloud connectivity. Now grab a second device, the one you want to control from. Download the free Vnc Viewer app, either from our website or by searching RealVNC in an app store. Sign in using the same RealVNC account credentials. You may be asked to check your email to verify this was you. Select the remote computer when it automatically appears in your team and connect. You'll be asked to authenticate again. This time, don't enter your RealVNC account credentials, but rather the Active Directory or system username and password you normally use to log in to your desktop on the remote computer. And that's it! You can now control your computer from anywhere in the world using any device running Vnc Viewer. At the end of your trial, all you need to do to keep remote access is sign into your RealVNC account online and select Subscribe to VNC Connect on the billing page. You won't have to set up your remote computers again, nor re-invite people into your team. If you want to change your account email address, you can do so on the profile page. There's no need to set up a new RealVNC account to purchase VNC Connect at the end of your trial. Thanks for watching. If you need more information or need help setting up VNC Connect, just visit our website.